Excitement is already starting to build around the upcoming DJI Avata 360, as a few early creators have begun sharing their first hands-on impressions before the drone is officially announced. Recently, new leaked images shared by Igor Bogdanov revealed what appears to be the complete DJI Avata 360 package and everything that comes inside the box. Before we go deeper into what these leaks show, let me know what you think so far. Drop a quick comment below and tell me if this is the drone you've been waiting for. From the leak photos, we can clearly see a compact FPV drone featuring a redesigned duck propeller frame along with a front camera module designed for immersive flying and full 360-degree capture. The package shown in the images also includes DJI FPV goggles, giving pilots a real-time first-person flying experience, as well as a motion controller that allows intuitive one-hand control. 2 intelligent batteries appear in the kit as well, suggesting that DJI wants users to enjoy longer flight sessions without constantly needing to recharge. The accessory layout shown in the leak also reveals several additional items that complete the setup. There is a charging hub, spare propellers, screws, cables, a wrist strap, a lens cloth, and the usual documentation included in the package. Everything fits neatly inside a protective carrying case, which strongly suggests that DJI intend to position the Avata 360 as a full ready-to-fly FPV system rather than something that requires additional purchases before getting started. Although the creators who received early access are still under non-disclosure agreements, DJI has allowed them to share small preview clips. Because of that, viewers are already able to watch short flight demonstrations and get a basic idea of how the drone performs in the air, even though the complete technical specifications have not yet been officially revealed. The official launch event is currently expected to happen on March 26th. Based on the early footage circulating online, the new Avata model appears slightly larger than previous versions. Interestingly, though, despite the increase in overall size, the design looks slimmer and more refined, giving the drone a cleaner and more aerodynamic appearance in flight. Another major change appears to be the battery system. Reports suggest that the Avata 360 uses an updated battery design that differs from earlier Avata batteries, which means older power packs likely will not work with the new model. Many of the preview videos also show the drone flying alongside the DJI goggles N3, providing a deeply immersive first-person view experience. At the same time, it is widely expected that the drone will also support the DJI Goggles 3. One interesting detail related to the 360-degree camera system is the visible stitch line that can appear while viewing footage live through the goggles. This seam is a normal part of 360 camera systems, but the good news is that it can typically be removed later during editing, allowing creators to produce smooth and seamless 360-degree footage in the final video. Control options also appear to be quite flexible. Experienced FPV pilots can take advantage of full manual control for aggressive maneuvers and cinematic flight paths, while beginners can rely on assisted flight modes that make the experience easier and safer. There's even a head tracking feature that allows the camera view to move based on the pilot's head movements, creating a more natural and immersive perspective while flying. The camera hardware itself looks very promising. The drone reportedly uses 2 square 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors, each capable of delivering 64 megapixel resolution and offering a massive 200-degree ultra-wide field of view. Combined with an f/1.9 aperture, mechanical tilt stabilization, and digital 360 stabilization, the Avata 360 appears designed to capture smooth, immersive footage that fully surrounds a viewer. Flight performance also seems strong. Early information suggests the drone could offer around 23 minutes of flight time, along with transmission range of up to 20 kilometers under optimal conditions. Additional features like active track, quick shots, and automatic return to home further indicate that DJI is aiming this drone at both experienced FPV pilots and newcomers who want an easy entry point into immersive aerial filming. Now I want to hear your thoughts. Are you excited about what the DJI Avata 360 seems to be bringing to the table? Or do you think it is just another incremental upgrade? Share your opinion in the comments, and let's talk about it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.